Okay, so you're creative, you're making awesome TikToks, but are you actually turning that creativity into cash? Well, today we're going to open up the playbook on TikTok affiliate marketing. I'm talking about how you can transform your content into a real, legit revenue stream. Let's dive right in. First, to really get why this is such a big deal, you have to understand the scale we're working with. We are talking about a platform with over 1 billion active users. That's not just a big audience, that's practically a civilization right at your fingertips. And this isn't just in one place. That user base is everywhere. TikTok operates in over 40 countries, which means your content has this incredible potential to go global, connecting you with people and communities you've probably never even imagined. When you put that massive scale together with that global reach, what you get is something like a modern-day digital gold rush. Seriously, the TikTok algorithm gives every single creator a real shot at going viral. It's a game changer, offering a chance to connect with new audiences organically like never before. So the big question is pretty simple. With this incredible opportunity sitting right in front of you, are you ready to claim your slice of the pie? Let's break down exactly how you're going to do it. All right, first things first, what in the world is affiliate marketing really? Let's decode it, take a look under the hood and see how this whole thing actually works. I promise, we'll keep it super simple. At its heart, it's just a partnership. A brand gives you a special, unique link to their product, you promote it, and then every single time someone clicks your link and buys something, you earn a cut of that sale. Boom, it's really that straightforward. The whole thing really just boils down to a simple 3-step cycle. Step 1, brands give you those custom links. Step 2, you work those links into your videos. And step 3, the best part. When one of your followers buys something, you get paid. It's a simple and honestly a really powerful model. Okay, now that we've got the basics down, let's get into the good stuff, the practical side of things. Think of this next part as your personal playbook for success. And we're going to focus on the single most important thing on TikTok, authenticity. I love this quote from a creator. It just perfectly nails the vibe of TikTok. Your audience follows you for you. They trust your taste. They value your opinion. The product, that's almost secondary. Their trust in your recommendation is everything. That is the golden rule right there. So how do you actually do that? How do you practice that golden rule? It's pretty simple, actually. Promote stuff you genuinely use and love. Make tutorials, do unboxing videos, show the product in action. The key is to change your mindset. You're not some salesperson, you're a trusted friend helping your community solve a problem or discover something cool. Ready to get started? Here is your 4-step launch plan. First, know your niche. What are you all about? Sustainable living? Vintage tech? Own it. Second, you have to switch to a business account. It's totally free and you need it for adding links. Third, go find and join some affiliate programs. And finally, the engine that drives it all. Create great content and do it consistently. Okay, here's a quick but super important tip. TikTok is kind of picky about where you can put clickable links, so you gotta use every spot you can. That link in your bio, that's prime real estate. But don't stop there. Drop links in your video descriptions and pin a comment with a link. Make it as easy as possible for people to find. Now, knowing what to do is only half the battle. If you really want to succeed, you also have to know what not to do. So let's talk about the common mistakes that can completely trip you up, so you can just sidestep them entirely. A couple of key mistakes can just shatter the trust you've worked so hard to build. Don't, for example, promote random stuff that has nothing to do with your niche. It just screams that you're only in it for the cash. And instead of just copying a viral trend, find a way to put your own unique spin on it. And probably the most important thing, don't ignore your audience. Engage with them, answer their questions. That's how you build a real loyal community. And now let's talk about the non-negotiables. These aren't suggestions, they're rules. You must always disclose that it's an affiliate link. Using hashtags like #ad or #sponsored isn't just good manners, it's often a legal requirement. You gotta be transparent. Always play by TikTok's rules and please pay close attention to your analytics. That data is your best friend. It tells you exactly what your audience loves and what they don't. So, we've covered the what, the how, and the what not to do. Now it's time for the final verdict. Is TikTok affiliate marketing actually the right move for you as a creator? Look, let's be real about the pros and the cons here. On the plus side, the upside is massive. The algorithm can launch your content into the stratosphere, and video is the perfect way to show a product, not just talk about it. But on the flip side, clickable links are limited, and the pace of trends means you have to constantly be creating new content. It's definitely a high-energy game. So here's the bottom line, the most important takeaway from all of this. If you're just in it to chase a quick commission, you're probably going to burn out. Real, lasting success on TikTok comes from genuinely building a community that trusts you. The money? That's just a byproduct of that trust. So there you have it. We've laid out the entire playbook, from the big ideas to the step-by-step strategies and all the pitfalls to avoid. The opportunity is absolutely massive, and the path forward is clear. So really, the only question left is, what will you create?